I don't know. It's been on for about a year. I thought that was that's from then, the other switch. Probably not in use. Sweetness, rolling with the fatness. Gents toilets. Well, these did work just a second ago. It took a while. Probably a loose connection somewhere. You know. Ladies, can I find it? These are all due to be replaced. Last ever run from y'all. These ones in there. Oh, you haven't been changed, but fuck it. Twin. Nice. Can't do this one because they're in the process of replacing it. And do these ones there though. Perhaps not, they don't work. Stuff going there. These ones in here. This one's ridiculous. In here. Which one do you reckon's going to work? That one's dead. So all these are being replaced. These ones in here. Let's see, there's one I'll switch. Short diaries. Happy days. All the ones in this hallway have been replaced and all. Even the emergencies as well for LEDs. Those ones in there don't work. These ones. Give it a try. Both instant. Right then. We ain't got some of the lamps because light fittings because they're in a different van because my mate's come drop them off because he's coming to help us. Nice. 5 foot. High frequency T5 49 watt times 2 C84 fluorescent lamp light fittings. And yes, I know this day and age should be LEDs. This is a rented business property, so it's whatever the landlord has specified. And they're quite smart, I think. Manufacturer's Dextra. Some of the thing. It was made on 21st of June 2016. So these are not that old. Only 13 days old, not even 2 weeks old. And they're being installed. Quite smart. Personal life thing. I like it. But yeah, should be LEDs now really. Anyway, thanks for watching. Manufacturer's Dextra. Some of the thing. It was made on 21st of June 2016. So these are not that old. Only 13 days old, not even 2 weeks old. And they're being installed. Quite smart. Personal life thing. I like it. But yeah, should be LEDs now really. Anyway, thanks for watching.